I've never seen so much rain before. Should we just turn around?
No, we have to make it. These supplies are crucial to the people of the village.
But our lives are at stake here.
So are theirs. Look out!
The ongoing rains have caused a major road damage, putting transportation to a standstill. Our prayers are with the people in the affected region.
Mighty 5, we need your help.
Hello, sir. What's the problem?
The rains have wreaked havoc in the coastal areas. We dispatched a few supply trucks to deliver relief aid, but one team never made it back. We think they might be in trouble.
We'll take a look. Whatever it is, we'll fix it. Where were they headed last?
I'll send you the coordinates. And listen, be careful, it's messy out there.
Don't worry.
These people are in trouble. We have to help them.
Can you pull up the coordinates? From the looks of this, the road seems to be washed out from this point onwards.
Perhaps the missing supply truck is trapped over here.
It would make a good bet. And with Veer and Shinrai's heavy-duty treads, we can scale almost anything. Let's call them over.
Shinrai, it's the headquarters. Let's go.
All ready to save lives?
Chalo, Desh Banaye.
According to our GPS, the village is headed down this path.
Let's keep going.
Hello. Yes, we are trapped in here.
Don't worry, we are going to get you out. We have to get this tree out of the way first. Shinrai, can you scoop it up with your front loader or try and roll it and get it off the road?
Affirmative.
Veer, now let's get this truck out. Think you can help pull them out?
My bucket hasn't failed me yet. Let's do this. On the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. It's not working.
Veer, activate high power mode.
Now we're talking. Let's try this again.
Great job, Veer and Shinrai.
Thank you guys so much.
Yes, now let's get these supplies to the village.
We've got to do something about all these potholes. The other supply trucks will never be able to get through.
Let's excavate the road and lay down a new dirt path.
My versatile bucket is perfect to help dig out the broken down road.
And my front loader will help pave the new road.
Chalo, Desh Banaye. Hello, Mayor. It's all good, Mayor. We've laid down a new road to the village. You can send through the remaining relief trucks now.
Oh, that's great. Sending them right away. Thanks, Mighty 5.
Let's see if anyone needs help.
Thank you for restoring hope to our village.